In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up box to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to share an announcement, offer a discount, or collect information from your visitors, using a lightbox is a great way to grab your audience's attention without disrupting their browsing experience. So, let's dive right into the process and make something eye-catching for your site. First things first, we need to open your website using the Wix Studio Editor. This is the place where all the magic happens. It's the tool that allows you to customize your site in virtually any way you can imagine. Once your site is open and you're in the Studio Editor, you'll notice a toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your command center, where you'll find options to add features, modify settings, and much more. For what we're doing today, you'll want to focus specifically on the Add Elements section of this toolbar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've opened the Add Elements section, you'll see a list of categories with various features and tools you can incorporate into your design. Since we're looking to add a pop-up box, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Layout Tools category. This is an essential part of your website toolkit for managing how content is displayed and interacts with users. Under Layout Tools, you'll find several choices, but we're particularly interested in what Wix calls lightboxes. Now, when you click on lightboxes, you'll be presented with a variety of design templates. These are essentially the blueprints for your pop-up box, offering different styles and functionalities. Whether you're aiming for something sleek and minimal, or a design that's vibrant and bold, there should be a lightbox that fits your brand's aesthetic. Take some time to browse through these options and choose a lightbox design that resonates with your website's look and feel. Once you've made your selection, the next step is straightforward. Simply drag the chosen lightbox template over to your site workspace. As soon as you do this, Wix will automatically add it to your site structure under the Pages section, specifically within lightboxes. This integration makes it really easy to manage all your pop-up content moving forward, allowing you to edit and tweak the designs at any time directly from the Pages section. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pop-up box to your Wix website. Remember, lightboxes are a powerful tool for engaging your visitors, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and messages. Adjust text, add images, or even include a call to action to make the most out of your new feature. Now, go ahead and give it a try on your own site, and soon enough, you'll be captivating your visitors like never before. Happy creating!